Look at that spread. Let's go. Let's go.
I see you climbing up the chart, looking overboard. Yeah, you're flying too close to the sun, giving all you got. All size 99. Tell me, is it real? Or are you pumping up the volume just to close a deal? I'm sitting calm in the shadows with the heavy position, waiting for the bulls to finally lose their vision. I see the weight getting long, hitting resistance high. Don't tell me that you're holding, baby, don't you lie. 'Cause the bid is getting weak, yeah, and liquidity is leaking, yeah. I see the panic starting to creep in, yeah. So tell the buyers good night, 'cause the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash, crash, crash. Drop that ass. Yeah, feel that order. Drop that ass. You're trying to find support at the moving average, but I know the fundamentals represent the savage. I borrowed shares at the top, sold them in the green. Now I'm watching red candles wash away the dream. I hear the margin calls ringing on the telephone. Suddenly the diamond hands feel all alone. The volume spike is coming in heavy on the sale. We're riding on the algorithm straight to hell. 'Cause the bid is getting weak, yeah, and the liquidity is leaking. I see the panic starting to creep in. Hands in the air, say goodbye. So the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash. Lower highs, lower lows. That's the way the rhythm goes. Break the trend line, stop loss. Watch the valuation drop. Don't stop, keep falling. And don't stop, keep falling.
Flush it.
Cause the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash, 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 crash.
They don't see the move, nah. They see it, taking it, yeah. Stocks was the warm up, yeah. Crypto's a new play. They don't see the move, nah. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't your fast, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fold, yeah. They checking the headlines, I'm checking the chain. They seeing the panic, I'm seeing the game. They punching the clock, stuck in the rain. I'm building the future, I'm changing the game. This ain't no casino, this a calculated play. They follow the herd, I go my own way. Buying the red, they'll be sick on the green day. I read the white paper, they don't know what to say. Yeah, this is for the ones who got an iron grip. That's right, they sold at the bottom, they messed up the trip. about a deal. Add another chill. Let them run their mouth, man, I'm zipping the lip. Watching this stack go. Stocks was the one. Crypto's a new play. Crypto see the moon play. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't too fat, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fold. 6 figures, 7 figures, what's the deal? What's the deal? This ain't no get rich quick. This is a shift. Generation, no, this is a gift. They hoping for luck, I'm reading the script. I'm my own bank, now I am the boss. They can't see the vision, that's when they lost. I cut out the middleman, cut out the cost. Whether the winner, don't care about the frost. This is digital gold, this a new age. Turn my whole portfolio, turn a new page. They stuck in the past like a new praise. While I'm on the next move, building the stage, gone. I'm on the next move, building the stage, gone. They said it was nothing, said it was a dream. Now they all watching me, watching on screen. It's a lonely road. We are the one who know. We are the one who know. Yo, stocks was a warm-up. Crypto's a new play. They don't see the move now. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't your fat, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fall.
They look at the chart and see history. I look at the chart and I see destiny. Yeah, I'm already there.
Candles are painting, I tell them the color. You hedging your bets, yeah, you scaring your mother. I'm 50 lights deep and I don't even blink. I know what the algorithm's starting to think. Liquidity grabs, yeah, I see where it's hiding. The wave reposition, I'm already riding. Your stop loss is hitting, my take profits printing. You running the sprint, but I finished the mission before it began. God plan, I don't guess, I don't stress, I don't pray for luck. I see the setup form and I don't give a fuck. Vision is 2020, looking down from the sky. Watch the green candles fly. I go to tomorrow, I'm bringing the bag back. Stuck in the present, I'm off of the map back. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, then I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I done the fix, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock. Look, I'm at the bottom while you were asleep. I'm playing for keeps, I'm diving in deep. The oracle speaks, I hold it for weeks or I hold it for seconds. I am a legend, a force to be reckoned. ES is jumping, NQ is pumping, I feel it coming. My heart isn't thumping. Go ice, I'ma go. Made this stories told. I don't guess, I don't stress, I don't pray for luck. I see the setup forming, I don't give a fuck. Vision is 2020, looking down from the sky. Watch the green candles fly. I go to tomorrow, ain't bring the bag back. You stuck in the present, I'm off of the map back. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, then I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I'm the fix, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock. Yeah. Top bottom, I'm already there. I go to tomorrow, bringing the bag, bring it back. You stuck in the present, I'm off of the map. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, and I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I'm a bitch, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock.
Yeah.
Good morning, traders. ATON taking off right now. ATON. This is a small cap, low floater that just came out with some news, and it's at near all-time lows. So ATON's got my attention right now. Just FYI, monitoring the action on this setup as we speak. ATON. But hope you guys are doing well. Let's go ahead and dive into the watch list. The watch list there. Yeah, ATON just came out with 9 o'clock news. Announced a historic strategic $30 million investment in Anduril Industries. I'm going to do strategic investment. Of course, they're always strategic. Kind of in this AI space. What had me interested in it was the fact that this ticker on the dailies at near all-time lows. This ticker's been getting capitulated. ATON, but the low float, some news coming out on it. ATON probably going to get some traders excited. So I took a small little long on it this morning when that news came out. We'll see what happens there with ATON. But we got a few to look at. Crow in the building, Tuna in the building. How we doing, gentlemen? Going to be a good day today. There's not been a lot that's been popping on off this morning. Not been a lot. I mean, we had the AMCI Tuna, which was your play from yesterday. That one's still in play. I mean, she's still hanging out here. Robotics theme. It IPO'd not too long ago. ATON's up at 140 now. This ticker's just at lows with the low float. It's just got my interest. I feel like this thing could squeeze on up and out. Just has my interest here a little bit. What's your Tuna AI signals giving you on ATON? Yeah, just being at all-time lows, low float with some news. Something could that thing could get going. All right, let's look at some of the leading gappers this morning too. SRXH was one, but it's just been getting annihilated. This one, SRXH, all the way down to the 60s now. Another low float ticker. They came out with 830 news. They are going to acquire EMJX to establish next generation digital asset treasury, a strategy operating system. Not a press release we haven't heard before. Good morning, Doug. How are you doing? Good morning. We'll see, guys. Let's see what's gonna be getting the hype today, because right now a lot of these plays have been getting rejected. Anything holding up this morning? Is there anything? Vero, Watt, ATON, we buy. So I think ATON could be that candidate. RZLV, yeah, AI space, RZLV. Good alert there. Okay, on the daily, I'm seeing 320. 320 is a level to be mindful of on the daily. In your longest trade ever, Doug, what trade is that? So going into today, I was thinking the same thing. I've been like, with how my trading system is and my personality, I like to be in these plays longer. I've been getting a little jealous seeing some of these bigger traders holding these positions all day. They'll like short something in the pre-market and literally just keep it on all day long. I got to have better patience about doing that instead of just looking for, I got 10 cents, let me take it. I got to do better about that. Just letting these plays breathe and kind of do what you're doing, Doug. Like take the short SRXH at $1.77 and just kick back. Just kick back throughout the day. I mean, don't be so eager. Set the stop and be flexible with the profit. Be flexible with the profit side. 72% tuna score. So what kind of tuna score you need? 72%. You're looking for 100. She's holding up. She's getting a lot of good volume. A lot of good volume on it, ATON. So, I mean, what I like is good RR. I mean, when we're at all-time lows, previous closes here at 110. I mean, there's not a ton of risk on it relative to the reward. if the she gets going. D-Fly, cracking, sold on off. Okay, I've been in it since 7:55 trying to expand my okay, 7:55, so that means yeah, you got the short at like 45 cents. Dragonfly. Oh man, poor Dragonfly. I remember when this thing was up here in the $2 range. Dragonfly energy. Not enough energy, Dragonfly. Not enough, unfortunately. Yeah, the unfortunately, yeah, ATON's just not really getting it. Not really getting it. So all right, let's keep flipping through some of these tickers. There's a couple backside plays I like a lot going into today. Yeah, beat is really good. Beat just man, look at the levels beat is holding now, Crow. Beat is holding this 250 really well. $2.50. Very, very well on BAT. That play just kind of cracks me up a bit. I mean, looking back at it, snap to lows, snap to highs, and now holding up. Of course, with the FDA now giving them compliance now with their product, it's just that's reputable news to really sustain this and be back up at levels where it was basing out at prior. And then now we got the 350 as a level, 350 on the past chart history. I like it. I mean, I'd like to see a blow off move and get involved maybe to, unwind that one just a little bit. I like this. I like an expensive ticker here, GPCR. GPCR, this one is kind of cracking some levels. 65 was a main support level. This is phase two news. Phase two news was on GPCR back last Monday, and it was consolidating right here, basing out between like 65, 70. But it looks like we're kind of starting to turn around a little bit. Momentum's died there. That one I kind of like. Some of the marijuana plays seem to be in profit taking mode now. It doesn't seem like, I mean, we haven't gotten anywhere with that reclassification news, right? It's still just Trump is considering it. So it just got bought up on that consideration. And then we started seeing profit taking. Right now, like TLRY, for example, is sitting on 1050. Kind of head and shouldery with that being the neckline. So we could watch that level. RADX yesterday was a low flip play with positive phase two news that ended up just cracking in after hours. And then there's two kind of hangoverish plays I like, which are ARTV. So ARTV kind of caught me yesterday. It was really aggravating. I traded this descending triangle on it, ended up cracking it. I was up pretty good. Was looking for a little bigger move on it. It just accumulated shorts and got volume squeezed back right back around. The trappy action aggravating, but stop should have been like, right back up at 6. So ARTV kind of trappy, trap bears, crack the DT, and then pop right back up to new highs. ARTV is a good candidate today for profit taking as well. It's got clear support. You see in the 570s, 80s, really good move yesterday on it. But if we don't have the follow through and momentum on ARTV, that's where I like to see this one come on back down. Similar theory, ARTV to CLYM. CLYM made a near straight up move by biotech company up towards some resistance 480s. And now that one's just kind of dribbled out, and it's up from $1.70 earlier in the week, still to 370. So kind of made it. You can see the volume here. Volume peaked like 2 million shares midday yesterday. And so if we had that blow off top, if we don't get the volume to sustain, likely see profit taking. AMCI I see is still on the scans. I just messaged support at TTP just seeing if they can get this ticker on Trader Evolution. But yeah, AMCI with the robotics theme and the recent IPO here. What are you guys thinking with it? Yeah, AMCI has been yesterday massive play, and then still certainly going to be in play today. AMCI. Doug, yeah, the meeting went well. I mean, it was more of like a review of 2025 for him, which was a successful year, and looking into 2026. And I joined like third, fourth quarter of 25, so I'm relatively new there still, but there's a lot to look forward to for 2026 over at TTP. A lot of new things coming on, and they have their big event, which I'm going to be speaking at on the 22nd. So there's like 6,000 people that signed up for that. I'm going to be on a vacation, so I'm hoping the Wi-Fi is going to be good enough. But 6,000 people signed up. It's like a Fivers and Trade the Pool are coming together. I'm going to be one of the speakers at 10:10 Eastern time. If you guys want to be there, throw it on the calendar. It'll be a good time. Good time. Cool. Yeah, yeah. Well, I look forward to the green team representing, Doug. That'll be fun. That'll be a good time. I think there'll be 4 of us on. That's he's interviewing guys that have been funded on their take, and so I'll be one of those guys, and we'll just share some of the experience. All right, so let's flip through. Yeah, ATON. That one's back down to 116 now, so failing. Not that one's unable to really get the follow through momentum on it. ATON. I think one of my favorite tickers. This morning feels light. Kind of feels light. I like ARTV, CLYM. I really like the GPCR if that one starts giving it up. GPCR's chart overbought, kind of lightning and the volumes lighting up. And those are the key criteria I'm looking for with some of those backside plays. I want to see a ticker that got tons of momentum within the last week, and I want to see like all that momentum elsewhere. IBIO is not bad either. IBIO here, it's kind of head and shoulderish, 220 risk, and that one's still been backside, really heavy. So even this off of like 220, let this one keep bleeding. I think you could definitely see that one, print some money today too. And of course, WVE Wave. This one offering at 19. She's kind of bear flagging, basing out now around this 16. But she's been real backside heavy too. 6 to 20 down to 16. Might have to be patient, catch things later in the day only. AMCI. Yeah, it's just AMCI, you hit the nail on the head. There's definitely going to be a play here for sure. Good volume on it still. It might be a little choppy. They say the amateurs open the market, professionals close it. So you might be onto something there with that. Just let the amateurs have their fun with it at open because it's going to be kind of choppy. AMCI. But yeah, guys, I mean the Riley looks kind of good, but that's on earnings. RILI maybe against like 520, 530 on the short. A lot of like 250-day resistance overhead. I like some of these forgotten tickers that nobody's looking at. I think Riley's decent. A lot of overhead resistance in the 550s. Now that I'm looking at it, I kind of do like this. 5's tough. 550. Yeah, that one could. I mean, there's not a ton of meat on RILY, but a lot of citizens hit it on pops. But want to see what Mr. Fades is looking at. He's in the wings. Fades, how we doing?
Good morning, guys. How's it going?
It looks like slim pickings out there this morning. What you looking at?
Yeah, yeah, slim pickings. Looking at SMX was looking good. That one might continue to fade today.
Mm-hmm.
And then I worked Vero and AZI so far, cheaper penny fades
Mm-hmm.
this morning.
Oh yeah, I didn't see Azai, but Vero I did see.
Yeah, AZI, it's just got that like dilution, like full rents vibe. Cause like they announced some kind of like intent to sell billions of their whatever, right? And then like that's what the price did. So, um, I
Okay,
don't know.
they did a 50-1 reverse split. That's why they
Yeah, and then
shot
they
up like
announced that
this.
news. Yeah, so they announced some like dinky little news, but it feels really heavy, and that would make sense why it's selling off so much on this news because I guess the market's just not buying it up. Or a lot of bag holder relief, like this morning, all the bag holders just dumped. So
We
that
could
one,
see
that one might
this.
stay heavy here.
We could see it. Like what ticker was
Yeah,
it? Was it what? I'm trying to
we're
remember what
still
ticker it was.
working leftovers there, and it feels kind of good, but I don't want to
Mm-hmm.
overstay it. Just monitoring, got my stop set up there. So.
There was one ticker that did a reverse split last week that Doug mentioned, and it went all the way back down to under $1. It's like they're trying so hard to get back over the dollar, and then
Jeez, dude.
yeah,
Yeah. So, let's
I
see.
like it like
Besides that, Wave. I'll be watching Wave and Capper as well. Let's see.
Azai. I do like that. I mean, she's got a clear risk levels. I'm just trying to focus. I was telling them a little earlier. I want to focus more on taking a good like short in the morning and just trying to just set the risk levels and leave it on throughout the day.
Mm-hmm.
Because we've seen
Yeah.
these plays fade. Like imagine doing that. I was seeing some traders do that with RADX yesterday. Like they took a 20 22
Mm-hmm.
3 short and just left it until 6.
Yeah, RIDX was that classic example yesterday of like what we see. Like after the morning move, right? The like that whole channel there was just the lunch hour, death hour. Like it just chopped and channeled that whole time. But what happened right at 4? Oh, magically just the easiest
Yeah.
short ever. It just gave up. So guys, don't fight these things after lunch. Just revisit it afternoon.
Yeah,
Like
I
it's
was
way
getting
more
chopped out.
profitable. It's way less taxing. I made that mistake yesterday, and I kind of had to get real with myself
Ye
and
Oh,
say,
I
why
did
am I
too.
still trading this thing? Why am I trading this thing in this channel? Like I gave too much back to that crap, and
Dude,
we can't be doing
I was
can't be
staring
doing
at it
that.
all afternoon because 'cause I'm like, "Dude, this thing
The FOMO. Yep,
when it cracks 10-20 is gonna elevate her down." So I was just
exactly.
staring and I kept getting chopped out of it. I gave back, like,
So
everything
yes,
yesterday
so
doing
it's
that.
like you got to take a smaller position at the top of that channel and just let it sit, or just wait till afternoon. But yeah, getting chopped out in that channel, man, it can be brutal for sure.
Yeah, and, so I noticed that with my
Thank
own
you, Jay.
trading, like, I don't perform well when I'm just looking for when I'm just trying to go heavy size and look for a quick scalp. Like, I do way better when I size down and give it like, "Okay, let's look the full day kinda
Hmm.
picture on this thing." Do way better, so I'm gonna try to do that going into today. Were you listening to GPCR I went over? I think you'd like that one.
Uh-uh.
GPCR, look at this chart. So it was the phase 2 news last Monday, and it was kind of channeling like our like Radex we just went over, but it's
Okay.
cracked a key level like that 65. I think this one could be the sleepy forgotten about play that starts maybe coming back
Okay.
on down a little bit.
GPCR. Okay.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah,
okay.
GPCR and
Let's see.
BDRX. Okay. Yeah, really wiki crow. You see BDRX 798, like very wiki up there.
Vero
Uh,
also released bad news, so that thing could just stay heavy from here as well. Kind of like Vero and AZI are similar vibes. It's like they've had the move, they sold off a good bit. The RR is not as good now, but just going to be watching both of those for continued pressure.
yeah,
Um,
Riley has a lot of like this isn't up a lot, so I don't think it'll get your attention too much. But I mean, Riley has got a ton of like ceiling pressure, 550.
Is that O'Reilly Auto Parts or whatever?
No, this is O'Reilly Healthcare. RILY. I
Okay.
don't know. Right? It's so different. Yeah. I was cracking up driving home from
Oh,
dropping the kids off on the overambitious bear, just thinking about how that bear just chasing every low.
yeah,
That's been me sometimes too. It's
that's
like the
hilarious,
reverse
man.
FOMO. That was
I
too
know,
funny.
right? It's funny. The reverse bear or the ambitious bear. I love
So
that.
550, like
Oh,
real tough on Riley.
cool.
O'Reilly Healthcare.
Okay. So yeah, as far as like fresh runners, it's kind of slow. So probably going to be a lean into the backside day. Actually, SRX, the new cheap penny pumper, SRXH. Oh God, it already.
Oh, she's giving it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What the heck is this? What in the heck?
AMCI, I messaged them to see if they could throw that on TTP because it still is not there, and there's definitely going to be a trade there today.
Yeah, they haven't done it still, but it's
Mm-mm.
probably a good thing because it's been strong so far. It has at least.
Backside, like ARTV could be a hangover if she doesn't get any volume. So be watching.
Treasury Oprah operating system. So 20-cent stocks announced a treasury.
Yeah,
They do
yeah,
like
yeah.
a 500, 5x, and they wash all the way back. That's crazy. Man, I didn't even see that move. That happened quick. What
Oh,
time was that? That was like
CPAC is
8:30.
CPAC is creeping up, dude, on light volume. Look at this. CPAC right now. This has
Oh
probably
yeah,
got
we got a
tuna.
gap
Check your score. This is probably 100% right here. CPAC right on
for
this
way
lower
longer.
trend.
Short.
Well, I mean, it's
Had
on light
below
volume.
9:30. Here we
I
go.
think
It's 9:30. So
what's the float on this CPAC? Everything's getting hammered. No, it looks good off of this trend for a long and then reverse short maybe after the CPAC float. Oh, float's 85 million. Kind of
hmm.
that's not going to draw the what's the news here? It's not probably going to draw the eyes of the chats. You see packs popping up towards 10 again. Yeah. There's trading higher after Wholesome signed an agreement to purchase 50% of the company's owner. Purchasing the owner. Are we going back into like the 1800s? Yeah, it's just part acquisition. Deal valued at 5.1 billion.
That AFJK, I just hate that they're the volume rule because it
Yeah.
created a good trade, but it's just so spready.
I
But it's
know that
up a
chart looks
lot
really
still.
good.
It's still up 300%, bro. 5 days. So if
I
you can
like that
catch a little piece of it, it might be an idea. Beat is
that
still turning up. Um,
oh, there's the market.
yeah, 9:30.
All right, it goes too quick, man. Okay, let's see what the market gods are going to be giving us.
I'm gonna take a starter in SMX.
Okay.
'Cause it's just got that feel to it at this point.
AZI is giving maybe some entry levels. That play you were
Yeah,
on.
eh, I'm just gonna monitor those, but it's tempting now because that reverse split and all that.
CYN on the scans, dude. CYN, I remember from the summer that thing effed me
But
up.
that too, it does kind of heavy here.
AZI. I kind of like the AZI. I might. Yeah, there's a huge wall at. 201. 201's getting eaten up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and throw something on AZI. I'm gonna give it to like 230. Kick back with that one.
Starter, yeah.
Again, looking for like bigger picture ideas on some plays today. So AZI, I'm gonna get involved with here. They
SMX
reversed.
lower printing.
Okay. Man, I love SMX. She's been pretty good, man. She's down from
Mm-hmm.
spready though. Spready. 122 by 128. This is what I like with SMX. 150 is really like a good risk guide. It cracked below that. I mean, we could see this thing just start really heading back down to nothing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go ahead and throw something on it too, and hope. I'm kind of hope it pops up to get a better position though.
Yeah,
AZI's
like a feeler and look for a pop.
AZI's working out. AZI's working out. I'm gonna throw a little bit more on AZI. I'm gonna throw a little bit more on AZI and then reduce the risk a little bit there.
Yeah, it feels right. And it's cheaper, so the bulls aren't so ready to just, fall in love with it.
AZI is feeling pretty good. 2 is holding up really well. That's a good risk guide now at this point. So far, so good, AZI. I mean, we could see that thing really head to. Here we go, AZI. What we saw with this was exactly. We saw an exact play to this last week. That's why I wanted to get involved here with the reverse split doing.
It's so fluffy too, that PR is just so fluffy. It's a scam.
Good, AZI. Awesome. This is good. See where she's going. 2's holding up real well. AMCI's heading up. Good alerts, Crow. Crow's doing a good job with the alerts. AMCI at highs. BDRX. BDRX halted up. Okay. I did not think BDRX was going to get it, but good call. BDRX has just got so much 820 resistance, and it's very wicky there. So didn't think she was going to get any loving with that past chart history, but
Give me all your loving.
yeah, BDRX. That one's. All right, BDRX we can certainly watch with this halt.
Halt up.
Yeah, halted up.
Okay.
I'm suspicious that I just don't think it's really gonna be able to make it, but we'll monitor the action there.
Give me all your loving.
Man, AZI's putting a big curl in back up towards 2. Don't give me that reclaim theme.
Right. It's not what we want to do.
God dang it. I'll take
Yeah, they
AZI off.
faked everyone out. Look at that. That's gross. God. Yep. Here we go. Back to the basics.
Back to last week. Yeah. All right. Vero, what's she doing?
Oh, Vero's pumping big. Yeah. So that one,
Okay.
Penny Junkers both just got volume and pumped. Interesting.
Very interesting. All right. All right. BDRX, yeah, I'm gonna monitor. BDRX may open up soon, so I'm monitoring that one here. Yeah, BDRX just opened up. I just don't see this one getting it. Yeah, monitoring BDRX's
Okay.
price action.
Yeah, up $7 or 50%.
SMX is looking good.
Nice. Let's go.
BDRX, a lot of 8 resistance, guys, like 8, 820. Thinking about slow scaling this even. Slow scaling it into those 8s. Potentially. She's tempting. Keeping the eyes peeled. I just like the I love the resistance here, 8. I mean, it could get past that. And look what it did yesterday. 850s down to 5. Okay. I mean, I like to see that for sure.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and start BDRX because I like what I see there. The big picture play for me on it. I want to size it probably towards like 850, and then let this thing work. So I'm gonna go ahead and start BDRX on the short side here at around 7. AZI, you son of a.
Yeah, that was annoying. I just set my stop above 2. I mean, if they
Yeah.
reclaimed like that, what can you do?
What can you do?
Yeah, the SRXH just rolled over. Um, Backside Lewis SMX is the king.
Beat is at a magic 320 level. BEAT. I mean, how many days is this thing just going to keep squeezing up? It's got a lot of 350 risk, guys. 350 BAT.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, a 250 support she's been putting in. Oh, BDRX. Hell yeah. I just turned my attention over there. I'm a. She's froggy. She's froggy. BDRX. The thing dropped to the 650s, bouncing back up a little bit. Gotta just let those things fluctuate a little bit. BAT interesting at the magic 320s. AZI is very interesting here too. It feels like it's gonna
Might
start
roll
pulling on
over.
back now, roll over, yeah.
Yeah, it did its move. Aggressive liquidity.
Yeah, I'm gonna get involved with AZI again. And give it to like the 230s.
Let's see.
BDRX bought back up off of that. AMCI, does that halt down? AMCI halted down. Dang, dude. It's
Yeah,
definitely
we can't trade it though. But yeah.
definitely something there on it, AMCI. If you guys have the availability to trade it. Okay, let's flip through some of the backside plays too. So SMX hit a low 113. My favorite short took my eyes off of GPCR is working out real well. I
Is
might get
it?
involved with GPCR, yeah, even though
Oh yeah.
it's not
It's
entirely
down
where I
3%. So I mean, it's just like a very slow crawler down, which is a good thing.
let me look at the
Take
spread
more
on that.
size and have a tighter risk.
All right, I'm gonna get involved with it. Just and maybe hit it again on a pop, but AZI just, I mean, trying to hang in there, surprisingly. But yeah, GPCR looking good. Beat the Magic 320s is holding up, BAT. Man. Tilt
And
some of the
SMX
marijuana.
has finally just been forgotten about. It's time to just capitulate.
Is it time to size up there? Yeah, SMX is forgotten about for sure. I'm thinking about smacking it again. 113, 115. Yeah, I'm gonna hit it again, SMX.
Yeah, I've just slowly added to it. It feels good. I mean, that GCPR play that you mentioned also. And Vero could be that sloppy level off that pop there. AFJK. It's no volume. G.
Yeah,
How's the
we're
volume? PCR, is it?
GPCR volume.
I mean, it's an expensive stock, so we don't need much to get involved. Yeah, I mean, there's volume. There's a little bit. I mean, enough to take some.
CPAC. Oh my God. So CPAC did a liquidity move down and it's headed higher, dude. CPAC. Yeah, Crow. We're usually always on the right tickers. It's just a matter of execution. CPAC. I mean, this thing might be a decent long against 10 now, but that is spready.
Sketchland and Spreadland. Vero, yeah, that pop might be the textbook, but because they reported bad earnings, and then I think it was a no news pump and dump, but the RRs it's there, but it's just nothing, not screaming at me anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Azai off that pop is a potential, but I don't know, man. This thing's kind of finding life again. It's kind of grindy, so they might not be done with it. AFJK, man. I kind of want to snag a couple shares there when the tape prints it. And then GCPR, good call there. That's probably one to take a starter in.
Yep. I'm already involved there and looking for more. Involved and looking for more.
There's a little dump there, a little point dip.
It's tough to get involved with GPCR though.
Yeah, it's starting to get spreadier.
BDRX looking good.
SMX bag holder burial day. AZI bag holder relief program here, but class has to end eventually. This thing's a scam. Vero trying to come back from that pop. SRXH, Piggly Wiggly. AZI, maybe the death candle.
GPCR, I'm hitting it again.
SMX for the big picture fade to crack 100 today, perhaps. It's on its way, feels like.
BDRX slowing down.
Okay. Yeah. 40% up on what? That chart is just pops, drops, pops, drops. It's in like a big channel between $4 and $8. Vero turning into the key of the day, guys. Vero breaking out.
Really?
Attempting. Yeah, there they go. And that's, you know why? Because they just reported bad earnings. There's too many shorts in there, and the MMs know it. It's the reality of this market.
Okay. AZI looking heavy, guys. Coming back down to 2. Looks like it'll crack it. Yep. Cracking. AZI cracking.
Prune it.
And it's popping right up off of that.
Off
back
the
over
2?
2.
A little bit. Yeah, it did put a big wick in, though. I see what you're saying. I didn't even catch that. It dipped all the way to mid 1.9s.
Okay.
Yeah, fresh RS. So what's the float there now? Wait, they did a reverse split and they're only at $2 now?
Yeah.
They're gonna have to reverse split again. I mean, they're literally grasping at straws, dude. Like they said like $1 billion intent to sell or something. You know, just something crazy. Like this company's cooked.
Oh,
They
I'm
got to be
aware.
cooked.
I'm
They got to
aware.
be cooked.
But that's
The
the
same with
problem. We
Vero,
get
you know,
size too heavy.
the over conviction, 100%.
Over convicted, yeah.
It's right there at that $2 threshold,
ARTV,
right? And
ARTV
that's
alert, ARTV alert, ARTV alert. This is good against 630 guys on the short. We went over
pumping,
in
dumping.
pre-market. No. Look, I mean, there's not a lot of volume. It
Oh,
just the chart looks really good.
yeah,
Really
that's
good.
a hangover play. Oh, yeah, I missed that one from yesterday, I think.
Well, it's still in play. I still
Yeah,
think
it is. Yeah, still is.
it still looks
100%.
really good.
We got volume.
I hope so.
We got a little bit of volume just to get
I'm
involved.
smacking it.
Well, you better check the tape. Don't take more than like 100 share. Oh no, we just had a 3,000 share print. Oh, it's already been a minute. There's been about you can't take more than about 100 shares right now. You got to scale in with that volume rule. You're good to take 100 right now. It's been a minute since watching the tape. I will take a starter there because I did like that play. I was watching it yesterday. Vero churning around here. Tempting short at that level, but RR's better now off that high of the wick. Vero.
Okay.
It's an idea for like a tight trade there on Vero off that top. It's like kind of feels like the fake out breakout
Mm-hmm.
pattern. Like, all these patterns are so freaking butchered and chopped up, manipulated, but this feels like maybe what they're doing is like a fake out breakout to bag hold wash. Tempted there. A little tempted there at this level. Feels like it could be the right time.
How many are you involved with?
I got 4 on right now.
What just took me off?
What's that?
Oh, nothing. I'm in a lot, so I'm trying to. I got stopped out on one. I'm just trying to figure out which one that was.
Yeah, don't spread yourself too wide. That's a lesson I've learned too. Usually, like 4 is kind of pushing it for me because I'm more, I like to scalp and I like to get in and out. So yeah, it's nice to hold for bigger picture, but as we've talked about lately, the big picture has been so chopped up. So
BDRX guys, looking good.
nice.
Looking good.
Yeah, working that one. Good stuff.
Oh yeah. I mean, after
Skill
seeing what
pumping
it did
up.
yesterday, I was
Yeah,
like, hey,
skill
watch out.
pumping up. Vero, is this the fake out breakout?
All right. GPCR is looking good too. AZI annoying the living piss out of me. I'm gonna reduce risk AZI down to like 223. ARTV looks really good. I mean, ARTV cracking a little bit. Maybe worth sizing here, guys. I'm a flex. Just a little spready, but I love this chart. This
Yeah,
chart's sweet.
it just got volume to size it too, guys. You can get a couple hundred shares right now. That play feels good. I will say that play feels good.
Yeah, I'm hitting it again.
Like I don't know what they're gonna do to ruin this one at this
Let's
point.
go, ARTV. She's looking gorgy. Lot of pressure coming into it.
Smack it, guys. Full send.
No.
Get on the eval, Degen. They reclaim it to 650. 5 minutes later, halt up.
Dude,
I do the victory dance and then
I like the big picture here, man. I'm leaving it on, but I'm gonna be infinitely irritated if it doesn't work. I'm leaving it on, big picture. Risk like I don't know, 620. 630 is the previous close. Good risk guide.
mm-hmm.
Where's Chow at now? Chow's at like a penny. 91 cents. Oh, okay. Ching Chow. ALDX, nice grind. ALDX grindy up towards 50-day. Is Vero still in play? Vero's testing pre-market resistance 240s.
Yeah, it did that fake out breakout. I think Vero might have just done its fake out breakout, guys.
And it's got the 200-day, which is 246. Good risk guide. So
The 200-day, it just rejected the 200-day, bro.
yeah,
On the
yeah.
fake out breakout. That's kind of textbook, but I don't want to get over convicted.
I know. I mean, we could sprinkle something on it.
Yeah, I'm a sprinkle because especially knowing that it just rejected the 200 like that, bro. I got a sprinkle.
Sprinkling. Oh,
And there
dude.
we go. Come on.
I was about to sprinkle, but I don't know if I want to chase this price action. Let me see what it's going to do here.
A bunch of volume just hit, so it's going to do something.
Another lower wick if it closes. Lower wick down into the 214s as well.
Ton of volume just came in on the sell side when it did that. So, I mean, is it a sweep or is it just going to confirm that fake out breakout? Stops are going to be tight with the idea that that was a fake out breakout. And I sized a little bit, so I like it.
AZI, you sized it a little bit. Or, sorry, what play was it?
Vero on the fake
Yeah,
out breakout idea.
Yeah, it looks really good. I just trying to see where I see this thing going, like in a day. Could
It
be.
already went to 2, so if this is a fake out breakout, yeah, let's see. I mean, it's got that sloppy vibe, but it's held it, so AZI is sitting there churning around.
BDRX trying to wind back up again. I just we'll see. Vera is looking good. What does CPAC do? Because that one, CPAC. Okay. Yeah, CPAC did put in a move and formed a little descending triangle off of 1130. And now it's kind of heavy on VWAP. But
GCPR is working slow and steady, Eddie.
yeah, I'm in pretty heavy there. I like that one.
Yeah, it's like those are ones that you can get in heavier, right? And like realistically manage your risk without like just being crazy.
BDRX kind of annoying with this 640 to 7 reclaim, but considering what I'm
Yeah, it's on the king of the day list, you know. It's done 10x its average volume already. What's the float?
619,000.
Yeah, 4 mil market cap is what I got. Could go one way or the other pretty quick. All right. Let's see. So a little choppy so far. Some fake outs, some breakouts, some dinkle doodles.
I haven't heard of that one before.
But Art V seems like the one that's gonna stay true. Didn't get relief yet. Feels pretty good. Getting a ton of volume too to size it. Let me see. Do I want to add to this thing? I think I do. It's pretty good right now, bro.
Yeah, I mean, you heard me, dude. I got excited. The chart looks gorgeous. I mean,
Yeah, I
absolutely gorgeous.
mean, this is one of those charts that kind of starts to just scream. But
It's
we know what that can happen too. What can result in that?
I know.
Rosé.
I may have hit it.
Bro, Jesus. Dude, her and that tail, man, that's a weapon. I mean, she can seriously do some damage to that thing.
Oh man, good old Rose. I gotta head and trade the pool. It's 10 o'clock.
Oh, man. Comes quick. Yeah,
Comes
sorry,
quick.
bro. I was a little late this morning.
Oh, dude, you're good, man. Just happy to have you
Yeah.
here.
Everyone stay dialed in, and it's a pleasure to be here with the team, guys.
Yeah,
Keep
man.
it rolling.
Yeah, head up.
Process pushing.
Appreciate your fades. We'll keep in touch. Join the Discord if you haven't, where we keep in touch. And head over to Trade the Pool if you want to keep the action going. Appreciate your fades.
All right, brother.
Yeah, talk to you in a little
See you
bit.
guys.